the Chips Ahoy milkshake. Let's step on the gas, let's go. Add 1 box of a mini Chips Ahoy to a blender. Yeah. Along with 1 cup of vanilla ice cream. Let's go. And 1 cup of your favorite milk. Yes, sir. Cover and blend it smooth. Let's go. Let's make a quick whipped cream. 1 cup of whipping cream, a quarter of a cup powdered sugar, and a splash of vanilla extract. Whip till stiff. Let's go. Time to assemble. Add chocolate sauce in the serving jar. Chips Ahoy milkshake. Homemade whipped cream. More chocolate sauce. And more Chips Ahoy. Ready, now let's try. Bossing.